So at the event, we had the chance to position IFS solutions, talk more about agentic AI and the future of manufacturing in Saudi Arabia with a very wide professional audience. We had the pleasure to meet with them at our booth and present what we can do and where we can help. Yeah, definitely. Meeting with all these individuals that visited our booth is, of course, always a plus. And if I would rate this out of 10, I would say 10 out of 10. I love the networking sessions. We had met with potential companies that are actually looking to procure systems like ours. The experience was pretty much amazing. I can say that we had fruitful conversations. We all speak the same language. It's all about manufacturing. It's all about Saudi 2030 vision and what we can contribute and how we can contribute to that vision. We would definitely like to do that. So I would say professionalism, future-ready kind of scenarios and sessions that we had, and of course, knowledge.